Good day and welcome to Australia Towbars Performance video of today. Today we've had a pleasure of working on a brand new Mercedes-Benz Vito W447 model. The client has opted for a premium detachable lifetime warranty Westfalia towbar. They are the best option available for them. I'll show you how they work. So if you want to detach it, you can do it single-handedly. And from the back, towbar becomes invisible. This towbar comes with the Mercedes-Benz integrated wiring kit. That's a 13-pin, which you can easily convert into a 7-pin flat if you wish. And it's very easy to attach the ball back up. And that's the ball secured. It's an ADR approved towbar designed to tow 2.5 ton with 250 kilograms ball weight on the ball. If you are in the market for a premium invisible made in Germany lifetime warranty towbar and integrated wiring kit for your Mercedes-Benz Vito, we will be more than happy to help. Thank you for watching and have a great day.